Hello you guys! Kamusta kayong lahat? If nagugustuhan ninyo ang ating mga topics at episodes, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And pakihit na rin yung notification bell na yan para kayo ay updated sa ating mga episodes. Guys, for this episode, isi-share ko sa inyo yung naging adventure namin on our road trip to Zambales. Makikita nyo dyan yung kulitan namin mag-asawa. Guys, off to Zambales kami at itong pasaway kong asawa, mapang-asar galing sa dialysis. So, kung saan-saan idinidikit yung tinatanggal niya dun sa ano. So yan, dinikit ko nga sa uli niya. Nang malaman niya. Yan, dami din namin kargada oh. Kung may mga halaman-halaman kami at itatanim namin dun sa aming small property sa Zambales. Tara guys, samahan nyo kami sa trip namin. So ayan nga guys, medyo hapon na tayo nakaalis ng Manila. Sinundo pa namin yung sister ko para makasama siya sa Zambales. Pero you know, very refreshing yung travel namin kasi you know, yung road to Zambales, very smooth, napakaganda ng road. So yun yung na-appreciate ko yung traveling to Zambales. So ito nga guys, medyo ginabi na tayo ng dating doon sa ating accommodation. Ang pangalan ng resort na ito ay Dawal Lakeview. So ang Dawal ay medyo matagal na sa Zambales, pero itong property na to ay bago. They just opened this year, kaya malinis siya, maayos. We enjoyed our stay and I encourage you guys to check this property out. Good morning guys, good morning everyone. Now it's 7 AM. Nandito kami ngayon sa Zambales, Candelaria, Wacon pala, Wacon area to. Nasa, ano pangalan to? Dawal Lakeview. Ito yung isa sa bago nilang property just this year. Ituturo ko kayo guys, tara. Isang maglakad. So ito yung kanilang mga villa. Ano yan, couples room yan. So, good for 2 people. Ang lamig ng kanilang aircon.
Okay, fine.
Shout out pala sa mga taga Zambales.
Taga Wacon.
Okay, mga taga Wacon. Pero yung napangasawa ko, taga Candelaria, Zambales.
Taga Panay.
Guys, yung first time ko na makarating dito sa Zambales was, I mean, specifically sa Candelaria, Zambales was 30 years back, 30 years ago. And 30 years ago, I fell in love with the town. Huh? Nag-video sa akin yung husband ko, yung sinabi ko when I fell in love. Nag-react pa lang. Wow. Feeling niya talaga, no? Fall na fall ako sa kanya. Hindi alam yung town nila because of their town. I fell in love with their town.
Visit ka.
Tao na tao. Kinikilig-kilig pa siya eh. So ito yung ano ng property and meron pang mga binibuild na houses. I think ito ay pinaparent nila for family. Dun kasi sa couples room, wala doong lutuan, you know, walang kitchen, ano, meron lang washroom, may CR lang, tapos yung tulugan, table, merong small veranda. Okay, punta tayo doon sa lake para makita nyo. What's that?
Generator.
Okay. So, powered by a generator din sila. So, no worries kung magkaroon ng power interruption. So, ay dito tayo dumaan, Delo, kasi ayan. So, dito sa Zambales, napakarami talagang mga mango trees dito. Kasi
Century, ito.
When you say mango, talagang yung Zambales mangoes, hindi mo matatawaran. Kahit kami dun sa small property namin, meron kaming 2 century na mango. At last time na nag-harvest sila, talagang nagdala rin ako sa office namin. Sobrang sarap. Hindi mo siya mako-compare to other mangoes. Tapos yung text, I mean yung kanyang yung kanyang, yung the kind of mango na meron. Alam mo yun yung namimintog, yung talagang siksik yung ano niya.
Kalabaw.
Hindi siya yung sloppy or hindi siya yung ano na klase ng mango, yung parang kuluntoy na mango, hindi ganun. So kagabi merong wedding ceremony dito. They cater to different activities. So ito yung kanilang activity area. At dito naman sa area na to guys, you can experience yung kanilang walkway na gawa sa kawayan. Pero safe naman kasi may mga floaters naman na nakakabit. Makikita ninyo dyan yung napakagandang mountain view. Tapos, very refreshing yung breeze. And they enhance the place also by providing choices of activities. You can do kayaking, you can also do boating. So at 8 AM ng second day, nagpa-schedule kami na mag-boating. I-share ko rin sa inyo yung experience na yan dito sa video na yun. You can also have your breakfast, lunch, or dinner dito sa place na ito while enjoying yung mountain view. And the lake as well. Ayan, maraming mga bakawan. Alright, go! Dito naman yung kanilang poolside guys. Dito yung poolside nila. Ayan o, meron din silang kayak. So you can do kayaking also. Yan yung poolside nila. In fairness, malinis yung kanilang pool. Yung chlorine hindi ganun katapang. Ayan, may naglilinis. Saktong-sakto lang. Hindi mo nga mararamdaman yung chlorine. So yan o. Malinis naman yung poolside nila. Tapos meron din silang medyo okay, malaki-laking grounds. So if you like yung greens around you, yan, you can stay here. Meron ding swing dun sa side na yun, oh. Tapos merong water bike, oh. Ayan, oh. Meron pa rin silang some cottages in this side. Parang mas malaking cottage yan kaysa, ayan yata yung for 4 persons na cottage. Yan, tapos may mga binibuild pa ng mga ibang, mga ilang buildings. Tapos nandun yung restaurant side. May restaurant dun, yun. So dito tayo ngayon sa restaurant dito sa Lakeview. So yan yung view mo while having breakfast. Yan yung husband ko, gutom na raw siya. Oh. Kaya kumain muna kami habang nagsiswimming yung mga kasama namin dun. So we are having tapa and chop suey for breakfast. Meron din silang space on top of the tree, yan oh, with a tree. Mango tree, ayan oh, sa taas ang daming bunga ng mangga oh. Yan. So you can have your breakfast there, your lunch, or either your dinner. Napakasimple ng property na to, pero ano, sisilbi din siyang view deck. Hiririnig mo yung huni ng ibon. So very relaxing siya. So yun yung some of the cottages din on that side. Oh. Hello guys, for today's video.
Ang lakas kumampay nung isa. Ang lakas kumampay nung isa, oh, lakad be. Malakas kumampay. Ayun.
Palakasan ng 50 dito.
Bayad ka 250. Workout.
For today's workout.
Leg Eggs tayo today.
Uy, balik na kayo. Huwag kayo dyan sa tabi eh.
I don't care if you hate me, I'ma do me, I'ma put myself first, I'ma be free. I'm not here to please you, I'm here to please me. I'm unapologetic, that's how it's gonna be. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm selfish, I'll admit it, I won't deny. Oh, no. I'm living for myself, no need to ask why. Ask why.
So for this trip guys, marami pa tayong mga adventures na ginawa. Since hindi kami bago sa Candelaria, Zambales, meron din kami mga kamag-anakan dyan. So we decided to get out of the property, yung accommodation where we were staying, para naman ma-enjoy namin yung beach side, yung beach front, kasi yung kapatid ng husband ko ay nakatira sa tabing dagat. So ayan nga guys, lumabas muna tayo ng resort. On the way tayo ngayon doon sa place nung sister-in-law ko by the beach para ma-enjoy naman natin yung sea water. So ayan guys, inano ko na lang, vinoice over ko na lang kasi paulit-ulit yung sinasabi ko. But anyway, I was trying to explain na napakaganda ng dagat sa Zambales, particularly sa Candelaria, Zambales, sa Libertador. Napakapino po ng buhangin. Hindi nyo mamamatch with other beaches. Talagang napakalinaw ng tubig. Yung sand, hindi po siya white sand, pero talagang ma-enjoy ninyo because napaka-soft. Pwede kayong magpaa, hindi masasaktan ng inyong ang sole ng inyong paa, napaka-smooth. And even if you walk further the shoreline, hindi po siya malalim. Napakakalmado po ng dagat na yan. Kaya talagang may enjoy nyo. I think we stayed from morning up to noon time. Hindi kami nagsawa. Kaming mga girls, 3 girls lang po kami. And we really did enjoy the beach. Dami nila nahuli, oh.
Kami, malaki pa pala eh.
Tanggal pa sa lambat, eh.
Doon mo sasabi.
Sobrang sariwa, oh. Pati yung mga mukha nila fresh.
Dito may fresh pa dito.
So yun nga guys, while we were enjoying our morning walk by the beach, at we were enjoying yung breeze by the beach, natsyempohan nga namin na merong kakapalaot lang ng mga fishermen. So marami-rami rin silang nahuli. So bumili na kami. Mura lang naman, and then pinaluto namin sa sister-in-law ko. Iba talaga guys yung feeling ng simpleng buhay, you know, you're enjoying the little things in life. So dito ko na nga tatapusin ang video episode na ito. Sana guys nag-enjoy kayo sa moments that I shared with you. And also, if you are working hard, remember, you deserve self-care. So magpahinga ka rin, enjoy life. And if you have time, you come and visit Dawal Lake View in Candelaria, Zambales. Thank you guys. See you in my next
I don't
episode.
care if you hate me, I'ma do me, I'ma put myself first, I'ma be free. I'm not here to please you, I'm here to please me. I'm unapologetic, that's how it's gonna be. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm selfish, I'll admit it, I won't deny. Oh, no. I'm living for myself, no need to ask why. Ask why. I'm on my own path, don't need for your permission. Oh, I'm gonna do what's best for me, my own decision. Oh, yeah, yeah. I'm selfish, I'll admit it, I won't deny. Oh, no. I'm living for myself, no need to ask why. Ask why. I'm on my own path, no need for your permission. decision.